Hey guys, good morning from you know where, hot Southern Nevada. Hey, just real quick, I just want to let you guys know my son and I, we're doing okay. We haven't done very many videos this summer only because of the excessive heat. We've had well over 100 people die here in Nevada because of excessive heat, so we're not taking any chances. So just a quick short video, no shooting in this one, just to let you guys know that we're okay. Gonna be at least a couple more weeks before we can get out here and start shooting videos, guys. But in the meantime, let me show you a couple guns we're gonna cover as soon as we can start making our videos again. But check out this beauty right here. This is an H&R 22 long rifle, break open. Look at that, pretty cool, huh? So this is a model 22 special and has a 6-inch barrel. Look at the grip on that, that's pretty cool. And again, it is a break open, holds 9 rounds, double action, single action. This one was actually made between 1928 and 1930. Have not shot it yet, so anxious to do a review on it. And I just picked up this little Ruger LCR revolver. I did a review on one of these about 10 years ago. I borrowed it from a friend. I really liked it. And I just picked this one up here just recently. So we're going to take a look at this one here in the near future. Look at this beauty. An AR-15 pistol chambered in 300 blackout. I really like this one here. So we'll do a review on this, put some rounds through it, and have a lot of fun. And I have an old Bursa Firestorm. I actually picked this up a couple years ago at a pawn shop. Have not done a review on it. So this one is chambered in 380. We'll take a look at this. It's kind of a neat little pistol. And you know what? We just might revisit my old Remington R51 9mm pistol. Remington had a lot of problems with this pistol. It wasn't around very long, and we'll just take another look at it because it is a rather unique pistol. And I'm going to break out my Ruger Mini 14 with a folding stock on it. Man, look at this beauty. This is another gun I just really enjoy shooting. Don't know what else I can say except I can't wait to do another review on this one. And I do have some other guns we're going to cover. I do have this Smith & Wesson Model 60. This is an older one. I just picked it up, chambered in 38 special. Somebody did bob the hammer on this. So you're going to see this in a future video. In the meantime, guys, just hang in there for a couple more weeks, and then we'll be out here shooting our videos. So we'll see you as soon as we possibly can.